Hello everyone, it's Heidi with Kiddos Growl, and it is super late and I'm super tired. But I'm going to do this little impromptu Dollar Tree. I'm going to add it to my day in a life video for you guys that I'll be filming tomorrow. But haven't done a Dollar Tree haul in so long, and I just thought you might be interested in what I purchased because a lot of you guys enjoyed this. If this is not your thing, just fast forward this part and watch the day in a life video. So I got some disinfectant spray. In fact, these are like little mini cans, and I thought these would be great like on the go. You know, if you need to stop into a public restroom, you know, I kind of dread that, but I carry one of these in my purse just in case. Anyways, these are very, very handy. I bought a lot of cleaner. You're going to see a lot of cleaner. So I got the Brillo furniture polish. This is the orange. Really like it. And I think it's the closest to the Pledge orange. I love orange. You're going to find that with cleaning products that I really like the scent. I also got some Post-it notes. I have not bought some Post-it notes in forever, and I needed some because I'm always looking to write myself a note to call this person or do that or not, whatever. And I needed some Post-its. I'm getting old. I need reminders. So then I got me some labels. These are labels that I'm going to probably use later on, probably downstairs in the pantry, but I like the color of them and I like this different shapes, so I know I'll definitely be using these somewhere in the house. I got a coconut oil. This is a body oil. I love this. If you suffer from dry skin, this is an excellent product. I find that it works really, really good, especially after you've taken a hot shower or a bath. You can massage this into your skin, and it's a great nighttime moisturizer. Some more disinfectant spray. I told you I bought a few. I got this Pons facial cream. I thought that was a really good deal. Pons brand at the Dollar Tree. I did pick up a couple bottles of alcohol. This is the first time I've seen alcohol in the store since COVID began, which was March. So I got 2 of those just to have on hand. I use these to clean my eyeglasses, my cell phone, just little things that comes in handy. I got 5 tubes of my favorite toothpaste. This was an excellent find at the Dollar Tree. This is the Crest White 3D toothpaste. I love this. I even got my husband Ronnie transferred over to using it. He really likes it too. So I've got 5 of those. And if you've ever bought this, like 2 of these tubes is like, I don't know, $7. But now these are a little bit smaller, but that's okay. It's still a really, really good deal. I got some makeup removers. I've never used this brand before, I don't think. But I usually, any of these really work for me to take off my makeup at night before I go to bed. Another disinfectant spray. And then I love these cookies. They're wafer cookies. I love these with coffee. I'm highly addicted. They come individually wrapped. And the vanilla ones are my favorite. However, I do like the chocolate, but with my acid reflux, the chocolate ones give me really massive heartburn. But the vanilla ones don't bother me at all, and I still love them equally as the chocolate. I also found this here address book. I've been looking for one. Now, I don't know that this is going to be necessarily my permanent address book, but it definitely will get me through until I find a hardback one that will be a little more substantial. But I did like the fact that it was nice and large print on the inside and easy to be seen. And then the pages are marked with the letters on the outside skirts, which is really awesome. I just thought this was really nice. It'll be easy to write in and to carry in my purse if necessary. It's nice to have an address book in case your cell phone goes hiatus. I got some vitamin E oil. This is really, really good to put on like cracked skin on my face at night. This This is an excellent deal for $1 because this is a lot more expensive at a regular store. So this is a fantastic deal. Let's see. Oh yes, I got some Fabuloso. Again, in the orange scent. I love orange scented cleaners. I think that it just makes your house smell super, super fresh and super clean. And Fabuloso is like, if you're not familiar with it, it's like a Pine Sol brand. And it works really, really well. And I got a new mop, which I'm intending to use. And I'm going to put this cleaner inside the mop. And that way, my floors will smell really, really good. We'll smell like the brand Fabuloso. Okay, let's see what else we got. I got some Ajax cleaner. I got some cleaning towels. This is the microfiber cloths. I love these. These are excellent for cleaning glass and for dusting. This is something new. If you guys are familiar with Do It on a Dime's YouTube channel, she shared these. These are the new things that they're carrying. This is the dust mop. This will actually Velcro onto like a Rubbermaid reveal mop, which is awesome. This is the dusting one, and this one here is the scrubber. Now, I think they're supposed to have one that is a little more intensely woven or whatever for those really deep cleans, but this was the only two that my Dollar Tree had were these two, so that was that. And then I got the Lime Away toilet bowl cleaner, and you really cannot go wrong with the Lime Away. Lime Away products at a regular store is very, very expensive, so if you can get it for $1, then you're doing really, really well. Well, anyways, that is all that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. I hope you guys are doing good, and I will start my day in a life video tomorrow. Hello everyone, I'm starting my day in a life video, and I'm currently at the gym, and I'm watching my husband get naked over here. He's not getting naked, but he's taking off his outer layer to reveal his under layer to go swimming. Anyways, are you ready to go swimming today?
Oh, honey, I
look terrible. This is my gym look, guys. Don't expect anything good and pizzazzed, I'm telling you. Just my Champion sweatshirt and a pair of gray joggers, and that's what you got for the gym. And I think this was my dad's. So, yeah. I'm wearing my dad's clothes to the gym. Anyways, we are fixing to hit the pool, and we got our mask on. We just hand sanitized real good because we just got off the bus. And now you can see Ronnie. There he is. Say hi.
Hello.
He's locking up his locker, and then we're going to walk across the hall, and hopefully we're going to get in the pool without drowning today. You ready to go swimming?
Always.
All right, look at him. He's making a beeline to the door. He can't wait. Look at him. He won't even wait for me. He's not. Bye.
Bye.
We're going to go in here. Hopefully my camera don't steam up because it gets really hot in here. But here we are, the pool. It's a new stairs they put in. Oh, we just got done and we're drying off. And then we're going to catch the bus out front and head home. Hello everybody, I'm checking in. I look hideous right now. This angle is not flattering. Well, anyways, we just had some chicken fajitas downstairs. They were really, really good. And we just really enjoyed dinner. We were hungry. You know, after you go swimming all day, you just get super hungry. Anyhow, I'm just kind of browsing my phone a little bit, checking on some text messages, that kind of thing. Talking to my mom, she's telling me what she had for dinner, and that her and Dad have started walking, the New Year's resolution again. So back to the gym for us, back for walking for them. So I guess we're all trying to get a little healthier. So anyhow, we had our chicken fajitas tonight, and right now I'm just laying, well, I am literally laying in bed, just relaxing right now. Anyhow, so tell me guys down below in the description, Do you guys have New Year's resolution this year? I mean, are you guys walking more, eating more salad, trying to get healthy? Let me know. It's kind of good that YouTube kind of talks about, your goals for the year, because it may be the same as yours, and then you don't feel as alone, trying to eat healthier, or maybe exercise more, or give up soda, or, the small things. And it's kind of hard right now with everything the way that it is, and things being closed, and not being able to leave your house like you would like. And so you tend to eat more junk food, trying to eat things that you shouldn't. It's going to be harder this year until this gets taken care of, this situation. But anyways, I am going to browse my phone for a little bit. Ronnie's probably going to come up here, and we're probably going to watch a little TV. And that's probably going to be pretty much the end of the night for us. I hope when you guys see this, you guys are doing well, and that you enjoy my little impromptu Dollar Tree haul at the beginning. So I'll be checking in a bit.